In this video, I will show you how to autofill dates in Google Spreadsheet or Google Sheet. So, first of all, open your Google Chrome browser, then open your Google Spreadsheet and just create a cell with date in DDMMYY format like 5/2/25. I just put a date randomly and now just drag this cell, drag it down and release. Now see 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. All the dates are autofilled after dragging the first cell which is holding the date 5/2/25. So I hope you understood this video, and if you understood this video, then please give a like to this tutorial and thanks for watching.